What is the final business tip? The most important tip I would give if I was on my deathbed to my family. That's what we're going to talk about today in episode number 500 of your 333. Happy Wednesday, October 12th. I've done 500 of these. Can you believe it? I have been doing this for over a year, and I've been giving and sharing my 3-minute tips every day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys have revolutionized my business, created an organic way for me to gain leads in my web design business. I can't thank you enough. So we're concluding a series today called my last lecture series. I learned in college from professors that would just talk about anything about what their very last lecture would be. And if I was on my deathbed and I had my friends and family around me and I was talking specifically about business, this is the most important tip that I would give them. We're going to talk today about residual income, reoccurring revenue, overrides, and investing. Residual income. What is residual income? It is the granddaddy of the business world. It's income that you're receiving from doing the work once, but getting paid for it over and over and over. Some examples of good residual income are authors like Rowling that wrote the Harry Potter series. She is still getting paid for that, even though she hasn't written that particular 7-part series for over a decade. Right? Musicians, same way. They create music records. You download it. You buy it through the App Store. You're getting reoccurring revenue. There are lots of ways to do reoccurring revenue. But whatever it is that you do, you should have some mechanism. Like in the case of web design, I get paid for support. I get paid for hosting. Every single month continues to grow as my business grows. I wish I'd figured this out when I was 20 years old. It is the greatest way to earn a living. Business tip number 2. Overrides on your staff. If you have employees, every single employee, you, the business owner, should be making you more money. There isn't a reason to hire somebody unless you can put them and make them have a good salary, but you make some sort of override in that. Business tip number 3 is obviously investing. Investing for the long terms, especially in the S&P 500, over time, statistically, is better than even real estate. It is the one thing you could do. You see it all the time. If you were 18 years old and you invested $2,000 for the first 5 years of your life, you'd be a millionaire by the time you're 65. Long-term investing is a wonderful thing. Everybody should save. Everybody should invest. Stocks, mutual funds especially. That would be my advice to you. So have some sort of recurring revenue, have some sort of overrides, and invest. That would be my last business tip that I would give my family if I was on my deathbed. Obviously, relationship with the Lord would be number 1 on a personal note, but I'm talking business here. Thank you. That's what I've learned today. Anything I learn, I throw over the fence to you because I want you guys to be awesome, successful in your business. Now go back to sleep.